Starting an advertising agency might seem like a big leap, but with the right steps, it's definitely achievable. First things first, let's talk about what an advertising agency really does. Simply put, it's a business that focuses on creating, planning, and handling advertising for its clients, whether it's through digital or traditional media. Now, before jumping in, consider your niche. What's going to set you apart from others? Maybe you want to specialize in social media campaigns, or perhaps you're drawn to traditional print ads. Whatever it is, having a clear idea will help you target the right clients. Once you have your niche, it's time to set up your business plan. Sounds a bit intimidating, right? But think of it as your roadmap. Include your goals, the services you're offering, and a rough idea of your budget. It's like planning a trip. You need to know where you're headed to get there. Now, let's talk legal. You'll need to register your business, and this is where legalregistration.com can step in to make the process smooth and easy. Remember, getting the right licenses and permits is crucial. You don't want to get caught up in legal tangles later on. Next up, get your creative team together. Even if it's just you at the start, think about the skills you want to bring in. Maybe a graphic designer, a copywriter, or a social media expert. Having a strong team is like having the Avengers for your business. All right, you've got your team, now you need clients. Start by reaching out to your network. Maybe a friend needs help with a small campaign, or a local business is looking to refresh their brand. Word of mouth is powerful, so don't be shy about spreading the word. Marketing yourself is just as important as marketing for others. Create a stunning website that showcases your services and past work. Think of it as your digital storefront. And don't forget to leverage social media. It's a fantastic tool for reaching potential clients. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The advertising world is always changing, especially with new technologies and platforms. Stay informed about industry trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. It's kind of like surfing. You need to ride the wave, not fight against it. Starting an advertising agency isn't just about the steps, but also about maintaining a strong mindset. As you build your business, you'll face challenges and competition, but staying focused on your goals and adapting to changes in the market will help you succeed. So, there you have it. Starting an advertising agency might seem like a big task, but with determination and the right approach, you can make it work. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insight. And if you're ready to take the plunge, remember legalregistration.com is here to help you get started. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111.